Hello, good people of YouTube and potential viewers. This is my first video, so I don't know how many views it's going to get, but I thought, the heck with it, let's make a video. So, an unboxing video. So, I got this box from a place called LuxuReps. I think it's pronounced LuxuReps. And I've been eyeing something. I've been eyeing two. I'll set the box aside. I've been eyeing two models from this brand, Jacques Mage, I think it is pronounced, and that's the first one. Let me just see the quality. Seems impeccable, I must admit. Oh, it even has a, it's on, sorry for all the debris. It has that's the cloth. Oh, that's allowed. Very high quality cloth. Great filter, honestly. Interesting. And the case, I mean, handmade in Italy. Nice. I'm impressed, I must admit. Let's put this aside. Let's look at the sunglasses, because it's summer and sunglasses are pretty much the key. Let's see, what do we have? Let's see. Let's take this off, and maybe I do a little wipe here. Interesting. I mean, interesting stuff. Let's see maybe where it has, oh, the writing is here in the middle. Nice touch. I think there is something on the bridge as well. Handmade, handcrafted in Japan. Interesting stuff. I mean, I don't know if it gets the etching, the laser etching on the, yeah, it gets it, the camera gets it. I mean, honestly, I'm impressed. Let's see if they have good balance to them. Perfect. I mean, honestly, impressed. Sorry, pardon my dog hairs. So this is one. Yeah, I mean, hopefully you don't get to see my reflection. Let's see the second one. Set this aside, and see what else I got. I know, but do you know? Let's see again. Lovely cloth. Nice stuff. And what model was it? I don't really recall. But let's see. Let's take it out. Everything is, I must admit, wrapped nicely wrapped. Okay. Let's see. Again, it has that wonderful engraving. In this lens color, I think it's more pronounced even. The JMM. I mean, workmanship seems to be impeccable, I must admit. Let me check something, because it has the kind of transparent plastic, the see-through plastic here. We can kind of try and get a look and see. Yeah, we can see it in the picture. That's what I was looking for, to see that these rivets and this kind of decoration of studs are functional. I mean, they are connected. You can see them going through the plastic here. I mean, and this emblem, really nice, must admit. Wow. Damn, I'm impressed. Yeah, I mean, wasn't expecting very much, to admit. I mean, this kind of a, you always try to get some, I guess you can call it replicas or whatever, from somewhere, and you just you're not entirely sure what you're going to get, but I mean, in this case, the quality, must admit, is rather is surprising. I mean, so on that note, I think it's enough. I mean, I wear them a little, but for the time being, these guys or girls at LuxuReps, they seem legit and get a thumbs up for me. Thank you for watching.